The two regression lines are x minus 4y is equals to 5. 16y minus x is equals to 64. We have to find bar x and bar y. If I have to find bar x and bar y, I'll have to solve these two equations simultaneously. So x minus 4y is 5 and minus x plus 16y is equals to 64. So if I add this will get cancelled. This will be 12y is equals to 69. So y will be 69 by 12, that is 5.75. Now if I'll put 5.75 in any one of the equation, so x minus 4 into 5.75 is equals to 5. X minus 23 is equals to 5. X is equals to 28. These are the means of the regression line. Now we want correlation coefficient between x and y. याच्यात आणि याच्यात आपल्याला correlation coefficient पाहिजे. So if I want to find out correlation coefficient, I should know which one is x on y and which one is y on x. So I will say let x minus 4y is equals to 5 be x on y. So x will be equal to 4y plus 5. So bxy is 4. Then automatically 16y minus x is equals to 64 will become y on x. So 16y is x plus 64. Y is 1 by 16x plus 64 by 16. Byx is 1 by 16. What is 1 divided by 16 is definitely somewhere less than 1. So even if bxy is greater than 1, byx is less than 1. Okay. Now see, all the conditions should satisfy. Byx and bxy both are positive. If one is greater than 1, then other is less than 1. So r is equals to byx into bxy. That is under root 1 by 16 into 4. That is under root 1 by 4. That is 1 by 2. That is 0.5 और इसको भी हम लोग पॉजिटिव 0.5 लेंगे क्योंकि byx bxy सबके वैल्यू सेम है. So your mean is given, your r is 0.5 and this is how we will find out the required values. Question number 8 is variance of x is given 25. Regression equation of y on x is 5y minus x is equals to 22. Regression equation of x on y is 64x minus 45y is equals to 22. Find the mean of x and y. So we want bar x and bar y. So we'll solve this equation simultaneously to get bar x and bar y. Standard deviation of y, because variance of y is already given. Sorry, standard deviation of x is already given, variance of x, and correlation between x and y. Now, when I know that this is y on x, I can write 5y is equals to x plus 22. Y is equals to 1 by 5x plus 22. Byx is 1 by 5. 64x is equals to 45y plus 22. X is 45 upon 64y plus 22 by 64. Bxy is 45 by 64. Both are positive. Positive, bxy, byx. Okay. Now we want to find out variance of y when variance or standard deviation of y when variance of x is 25. So we can find out r first. Because byx and bxy are 45 by 64. This will be 9. So under root 9 by 64 is 3 by 8. So r is 3 by 8. Now my byx is 1 by 5. Variance of x is 25. So standard deviation is 5 and r is 3 by 8. So we know byx is r into standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. So 1 by 5, r is 3 by 8 into standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x is 5. This and this will get cancelled. Standard deviation of y is 8 by 3. Okay, so standard deviation of y is 8 by 3. We can keep it as it is. Correlation, we have also found out correlation coefficient between x and y. That is r is 3 by 8. We only need to find out mean of x and y. So we need to solve these two equations. Minus x plus 5y is equals to 22 and 64x plus 40, sorry, minus 45y is equals to 22. So I need to multiply this by 9. So 64x minus 45y is equals to 22 into 9. And 64, this will be 22 only. Here it is minus 9x plus 45y is equals to 198. I will add them, so this will get cancelled. 64 minus 9, 55 is equals to 198 plus 22. $220. So x will be 220 divided by 55. That is 4. So bar x is 4. I'll put the value of x in any one of the equation. Minus 4 plus 5y is equals to 22. 5y is equals to 22 plus 4. It's 26. So y is 26 by 5. 5.2. So bar y is 5.2. Bar x is 4. So at the end, I will write down the answer. Bar x, answer for question number 1, bar x is 4, bar y is 5.2. Question number 2, standard deviation of y is 8 by 3. And question number 3, r is 3 by 8. ये मैं इसलिए बाद एंड में सारे आंसर्स लिख रही थी कि यहाँ पे ये बीच बीच में निकाले हैं, So at end I should mention. Otherwise you will solve first, then second case, then third case. Exam मध्ये असं करायचं. एकतर असं मधून मधून जर आन्सर काढलेला आहे, जसं इकडे आपण मधूनच R काढलंय, then we have found out standard deviation of y, then bar x bar y. तो एंड में इस तरह से आंसर लिख देने हैं, या फिर उसको वन पहले बार एक्स बार वाई निकालो, सेकेंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ वाई निकालो, ऐसे करके. लेकिन ये आंसर मेंशन होनी चाहिए, पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर, सेकेंड का, थर्ड का. हो गया.